family, hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less, and welcome to Tanya's 12 Days of Christmas, where I'm just going to bring you brief tips and ideas for getting ready for Christmas. I just got back from the Dollar Tree, and at least maybe 5 or 6 of these 12 days out. Each day I'll just give you a quick idea of something that you can purchase. I just got back from Dollar Tree and just want to give you another tip. They will be going up. I read it in the New York Times and CNN, and a manager at Dollar Tree said that their prices will be permanently up to $1.25 first quarter of 2022. So like I like Dollar Tree, but I only dealt with them because things were $1. There's not really too much in there that I like have to have. It's like, to me, it was just worth $1 only. So going up to 25 cents isn't a lot, and they've been able to hold things down, hold the prices down for over 30 years. I understand that, but so I won't be frequenting them as much as I used to. So over these next few weeks or months or whatever, I'm just like getting stuff that, like staples for the household and stationery and stuff like that, because 25 cents adds up. And they said the average person purchases 4 items. Today, I'm going to give you, here's some things that I purchased from Dollar Tree today, and it's for the men, teenagers. You want to start getting their grooming together, and either college age kids or up. Okay, so first I found this, and everything is in green. So this is this 2-in-1 foot file. And I love nail care, even though you haven't seen my nails done, because since I started YouTube, I haven't really done my nails, but I keep them just clean and clipped. And I was a licensed cosmetologist, so I'm very big on nail care. So we got this 2-in-1 foot file. I'll put that there. Then I got some cotton swabs. They need to clean their ears out and everything else too. Men need to groom too. You can decide. This is a 5-piece kit. You got your brush, pumice stone, nail clippers, and these, girls or guys can use this, but I got this too. Also got, definitely the guys can use this nail clipper, toenail clipper. Then we got this men's face and body wash, so after they work out or something, they can have 30 cloths. Then we got this extra fresh Dove soap. Smells good. This is for us ladies. They'll put it on. We would like this. This is very nice. And then 3 count and 5 blades. You get 5 stainless steel blades, lubricating strip, rubber handle, and these are some razors. Okay. So what I do, I'll make a gift, and then I got a green gift basket, put them in, and get some gift wrap. This is that cello wrap. Dollar Tree also has those shrink wrap bags, and you get a bow in there as well. So just look out for that if you want to make a gift bag. So I'm going to show you quickly how I would make a gift bag for a young person, whoever the recipient is. Let me get everything organized here. Let me set that aside. Okay. And I'll bring. Okay, I have this box here, and I have some paper shreds in there to elevate it, and I have it on some of this cello wrap. And let's see, I'm going to put because there's fragrances in here, I'm not going to put, I would normally put some candy, but I'm not going to do that because the fragrances will taint the candy. So do something like that. So that's $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $6, $7, and there's $8. Okay, so since we have enough space, say if you wanted to put this in here. Now this could fit, but this seems more girly because of these here, so I won't put that in there. So just stick that. Stick the kale. Sorry for the noise. And then these little ends here, just pull those back, take those. I got some curly ribbon. Put this ribbon in that came from the one of those bags. I'm trying to do this backwards and still see what's going on, and just wrap it up, and then especially since this is for a boy, just do white and green and tie it. I'm going to come around. If you have, this one isn't shrink wrap, so if you get some shrink wrap paper, you do that. In 1 minute. That one curled, okay. Alright, so we just curl the ribbon. And our young man has a nice, you put a card in there. Cut that down. I will probably cut this down some, but just giving you an idea. You have a very nice, cohesive gift basket, grooming basket for a young man. Okay guys, so here it is. I want to thank you so much for tuning in today to Tanya's 12 Days of Christmas. And today's color was green. Grooming for a young man. Thank you guys. I appreciate your support. See you in my next video. And if you like content like this is Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. Like this video, hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Thank you everybody. Bye Mom.